Where are we going, Sushi?
Car meet.
How far is this car meet?
40 minutes.
Fuck. The who?
Addie.
No.
Oh my god.
I think I do, but why it seem like you run into this car meet?
Because it's already late.
Okay, when does it end?
No. Starting at 9. We're gonna get there like 2 hours late.
Hold on. What time is it?
9:50 something.
It's 9:53. And you said the car meet ends at when?
Late?
We're like, how far away? Like,
It's Wynwood. Shit stays open late in Wynwood.
you're gonna find out.
And if not, we'll go for a drive.
Okay.
Oh, $53. What did he say put at the bottom?
Turbo 5?
Oh, good thing you remembered.
$52 is the original parking?
Turbo
5. So tell them how we just got here and thought there was nothing going on.
Can you even see me?
Yeah.
It's dark. So we just pulled up to this car meet and I was like 3 minutes away, I was like, there's nothing going on. There's no cars pulling in and out. And we pulled up and I'm like, these people are sitting in the fucking dark. But it's not, it's the fucking tent.
Roll down your window.
Okay, yeah, let me show you. Look at the it's like night and fucking day. But anyways, there's a whole bunch of cars here, so we're gonna go see stuff. And I thought there would be food trucks, but I guess not. Damn, all these BMWs leaving. Where y'all going? Oh, that's just one. Okay, I guess we're late, but all right, let's go take a walk.
That you literally park like a BMW. That's what BMW owners do. Just park crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at them.
Look, they instantly look. Hold on. Stop. How many people just flocked your car just now?
I don't know.
You wasn't gonna go over there and be like, yeah, this is CS and things like that.
They clearly know what it is.
Yeah, because there's like 10 niggas around your car now.
They could have said something when I was there. They didn't.
Want to go back?
No, we're walking. Talk to them later.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what. E46?
46.
You like E46?
I like that one. A little boxy look. Those are cute. M5?
M5 and an M4. That's how you feeling
Been
now?
there, done that.
Wow. Okay.
Ooh, look at the car. Evil. Cool, what fans? Oh God. Look at those wheels. That's on bags.
Yeah.
Okay.
You never know. It could be static.
Look at the charger. I love it.
You want a charger?
No. And there's a pretty one over there. Gorgeous.
Bro, dog got a whole bunch of E85s. This one. E85, you can smell the race gas. And the can. Well, it sound like a can. How you feel about this one?
What?
How you feel about this one?
It's beautiful. What do you mean? I love it.
The lights or just the car?
The car, the light. Oh, you're all up in my face.
But I'm literally like nowhere near you.
This is so pretty. I want to get low and take a video. You know, like how I take mine on my car. Oh, my knees. No, I'm not doing it right. Can you come up?
Hold this. I got
wheels
you.
are turned, so I don't like how the wheels
I got
are
you. Hold
turned.
this.
Oh, go ahead, Mr. Camera Guy.
Black one. That one's cute, but you fought with that one? So hold on. The light. Okay, the light.
Caught my eye.
The lights.
Yeah.
So if the black one had lights, you would have fucked with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Log out, log back in.
You want to look at the M5? Ask me if you want to read.
Why? Is it a cup?
Yeah, it's M5 comp. Not you know what an M5 comp is.
What do you mean?
Is it a comp? It's not. What it said? No. It said on the back. It said on the back. I know it did. Really? I mean, it says on the back.
This might be fake.
Is it a fake one?
Maybe. It's supposed to say it on both.
Oh man. Oh man. Not a fake M5.
Let's see what's done to it.
You don't even know what you're looking at. Okay, point it out.
No, I'm not doing that. Oh, that's RK2s? Isn't that the one that...
Was in the front, ain't it?
Yeah, front mounts.
Front mounts.
I don't have those.
You got other air intake. What else do you think they got done to it? Front mounts and what else?
I don't know. It's not lowered. I don't know. I don't see upgraded turbos. So I think I can race him. I don't see anything else. I don't know if you got a, no, I don't know. Can you tell if he has a tune?
Is that a GTR?
Yeah, could I tell if he had a tune? I can't tell, right?
You can't tell. You have to just know. Can I not say I like the white?
Oh, I guess.
You have that white. I understand. I like this white too. They're the same whites actually. They're the same.
It's a race.
Go ask.
No, I'm not gonna ask. Hell up. Shut up.
So you don't like it?
No. What's wrong with you?
He's tough. They're tough.
They're both cool.
Back to back G80s. And then the CS.